Stay behind the red line.
Going on tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Changing buses, everybody!